Hey guys, welcome back. This is actually my first one of 2026. Done a few projects here and there, but this is probably my biggest one. We had snow in Tennessee, and because it turned into ice, I knew we'd be shut down for quite some time, so I decided to run to Lowe's and get some supplies and take care of some things that have been on my list for a while. And one of the things is getting this orange stain removed from my railing because I despise orange stain from like the 80s, 90s. When we moved in, they had redone all of our floors and they're that really light, almost like a white oak kind of look with the white treads. So I knew that or treads or risers, now I can't remember which one it is, but anyway, you can see there. So I decided to do some research because I'm lazy and I did not want to sand all of the old wood down. So I decided to jump on the gel bandwagon and see if this actually worked. I was really excited about how it went on. My favorite method is always just throwing a plastic glove on and then putting a sock over it because I can actually feel it. It's not just brush strokes. I can kind of work it in, move it around. It always works for me. I love it. It's like the easiest way, and then you just let the sock dry and throw it away after. Doing this method, I learned a lot from the gel. It's not like regular stain on how it works. Obviously, I didn't have to worry about doing any pre-stain because there's already a stain on there, so it's all uniform anyway. But I did go in with my Krug cleaner and clean it really good first, just because your hands are on that and there's a lot of oils and dirt from it over the years. And then I actually went in and taped this time. I hate taping. I feel like it takes forever and I feel like it never works. If you keep watching, you will find out that it doesn't work. I was actually really irritated. This was really messy to work with, I noticed, because it's on the sock, so I would get it on those rails a little bit. But I found out that just using some alcohol, I think it's because there was already paint on there. If that was untreated wood or even stained, I don't know that the alcohol would have taken it off. But I was lucky because it was like a latex paint on the rails anyway, so it was super easy just to wipe off. After I did that, I just went in and did 2 or 3 coats because I really wanted it that black look. The learning process was basically you put it on and then you kind of wipe it off. It's not like a regular stain. You do that with stain anyway, but this, I feel like it is very like thick and gel-like. So I was kind of just going on and making it uniform, and it just wasn't drying in the drying time. So I had to like almost go in and buff it out. And then after that, it was really nice finish. I think that's why I did so many coats, is because it was really thin coats. Like you'd kind of put it on, let it sink in as much as it will, and then you kind of buff it out. I did obviously do a top coat on this. It's gonna be worn. Like the kids run up and down it, they run their hands on it, people hold on to it, bump into it. So it definitely needs that protection. Doing a top coat is very crucial with this. Now, this took me a really long time to do because I did it the right way. I went in and I taped and I did all the different layers that I wanted to do, plus I did the top coat. I am now gonna have to go in and fix some of the white. It's like when you fix something, it makes everything else around it look junky, and I realized like, oh, some of my paint is chipping. So I will have to go back and do all that. Overall, I am so happy with the way that this came out. There is no more orange tint to it, and I love the contrast of the really dark versus the white on the stairs, and then the light floors all together. Now, some people say that this doesn't match because your railing is supposed to match your riser or your tread. Again, I can't remember which is which. I'm okay with breaking the rules on this one. I actually really like the way that it is, and as long as I accent a lot of things in that area with black, it's gonna tie it all in and make it look modern and sleek, and it's what I love. So really happy about this. Have you ever used gel stain before? I'd love a like, a subscribe, and a follow because I am just in this DIY era, and having people come along with me is super fun. I love to hear from you guys, so drop some comments, tell me what you think, and I will see you next time.